While developing business creativity concepts, it is important to utilize what I call business creativity gear approach. And what business creativity gear approach does is it enables you, it takes you through the learning of the industry which you want to go into, down to reasoning how to a suitable model. Take for instance to those who have vehicles, to explain the start of vehicles, they put it in gear one, then from there gear two, from there to gear three, based on the acceleration level. So this business creativity gear approach works in similar manner. First, you need to get to learn about the industry which you're going into. You need to study the industry with the objective of creating something out of it. And that's where the use of constructivism learning approach comes in. With constructivism learning approach, you will be able to learn about the industry with the objective of creating something out of it. If you're studying an industry without the objective of creating something out of it, you might not be able to focus on the most important thing required towards creating something out of that industry. But when you're studying with constructivism learning approach, um, when you're studying with constructivism learning approach, you will be able to study with the objective of creating something out of the industry and thus focusing on things that are relevant. Thereafter, learning about the industry, we have logic. And what logic does is it helps you to be able to study as well as analyze the logic behind all the organizations or all the companies within that industry, most especially those who are taking the lead within the niche where you like to focus on. And when you talk about the logic, you talk about the unique value proposition of the company, of the companies within the industry. Because when you have a detailed understanding of how best those companies are simplifying solution within your industry in relation to using their logic behind their company, that is their UVP, unique value proposition, as well as other needed add-ons or other needed things which they do to simplify solutions, you will be able to focus, you will be able to understand the industry much more better. And aside that, we have reasoning. At this stage, what you do is you reason out suitable model for implementing your business idea. Take for instance, if I want to go into online market space, first I use, using business creativity gear approach. First, I learn about the industry and learn about those top online market space, online market business companies. Take for instance Amazon, eBay, as well as Auto. They're doing quite fine in the area of online market space. Now I take a step further to as well understand the logic behind their business model. For instance, eBay gives room for bidding for products, and Amazon doesn't give room for bidding. Auto doesn't give room for bidding, but when you buy products from them, you can um, pay over a period of 6 months or 2 years or thereabout. If I'm going to come up with a business with an online market space business, all I just have to do is analyze the logic behind the business implementation models of those in existence within the industry and come up with something that would be able to penetrate the market within a short period of time. And thus, if I'm to come up with a business model now, all I just have to do is go straight up with a business model with an online market space where you can easily bid and as well make payments after you bid for over a period of 6 months or over a period of 2 years. Before you realize it, I'm simplifying solutions for my customers, enabling customers to bid for products and at the same time pay for the bidded product over a period of time. And before you realize it, I penetrate into the market and take dominance of my niche. I hope you get this clear enough. Let me know if you have any other questions along the way. You get to know much